Hey, today we are in BMW X1 and I'm going to show you how to remove this phone cradle from underneath your armrest to make this compartment bigger, and so this is not in your way. You will most likely have Bluetooth connection in your car, so you will not install your phone over here, and those adapters also are not available for all phones, so it's best just to remove it. So let's get in the back and I will show you how to remove it. First, you want to move your seats all the way to the front just to have a better access to this element. Then you need to extend the armrest forward to have better access to this, and we are going to remove this back cover. We need access to the mounting point, and we need access to the wiring, to disconnect wiring that's going to the cradle. So over here, this panel removes by prying it upwards. So we will do it from both sides. Screwdriver over here. If you have prying tools, you should use prying tools just to make sure you will not damage the plastic. So let's try it. Click. Same over here. Click. Okay. That's not in the way anymore. And right now there's this pivot point over here that we need to remove. Here it is, and this goes all the way through the armrest and ends over here, and we are going to use a screwdriver and a hammer. We're going to punch it out and remove just so much that the cradle will be free to remove, but don't take it out completely. Don't take this piece completely, because you will have mess putting it back together later on. So let's try to punch it out. I will try from the passenger's side and let's see what will happen. Okay, it's halfway there. Okay, so this is now almost free. There's the wiring left to disconnect, and the line needs to go, this element needs to go back in place so the armrest is secured. So let's put it back in place. Now the wiring, we have those two. There's a zip tie holding it, so I need to remove it. And there are three cables, one, two, three, or even four cables that I need to disconnect, so it's free. Okay. And done. Okay, all done. Unfortunately, you can see the part over here and it's covered with grease, so you need to clean that up. But there's a part that you can buy just to cover this this element, and if I will find the part number, I will leave it in the description below the video. If not, check the comments, maybe someone will post it. And about the connections that you need to disconnect in order to remove it, let me just show you how it looks. The black connector, there's a clip over here that you need to pry upwards, I believe, to release it. Same goes for the blue one. There's a clip that you need to pry, but it's on the other side of the connection. And this one, there's a place that you need to press, and when you press it, you can move this and it will remove the connector from the socket. Okay, so that's it. Check my other tutorials about BMW and other brands. Give me thumbs up if you liked this tutorial and subscribe for future videos. See you soon.